Good morning, all of you. How are you? I feel very good today, and I expect same from all of you. Hello, my name is P. Kumar, and I'm today with a new episode. I feel that you are all are very good with your family and enjoying your life. But today I'm here with a new episode regarding the English speaking. So I'm expecting that whatever I have uploaded in my videos, you are understanding. You can correlate with all of that, and I think I'm doing the right way. I'm doing in the right path, and you are also understanding the things. तो मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप सब समझ पा रहे होंगे कि क्या मैं आपसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ, और आप समझ भी पा रहे होंगे कि आपको कैसे बढ़ना है, इसमें स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश कैसे सीखनी है। क्योंकि जो पैटर्न चला आ रहा है ट्रेडिशनली, वट एवर द पैटर्न इज गोइंग ऑन ट्रेडिशनली, आई वुड लाइक टू बी जस्ट change over, right? I am not telling you to go for a books, reading books, go for a go for a anything else like the traditions way the people say to you. But I am expecting from all of you to at least speaking English at least 15 minutes a day. Either you can do one thing in the morning, afternoon, and evening. If you are not get a 15 minutes together, you can split it in a three parts. 5 minutes in the morning when you up, just wake up in our morning. You just talk yourself with five minutes, and then 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes in the evening, afternoon, like this. You will see that there is a change in yourself automatically. I already tell you that one. But what I am speaking what is coming in my mind. First of all, I would like to correct your mind. Mind is very important, and to get feed it with a good thoughts, right? जैसे I would like to share my story, right? How I understand myself, right? कि मुझे क्या करना है. Till then आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? जब तक आप ये नहीं समझेंगे आपको करना क्या है. पहली चीज, that you what is the first thing you have to do is, जैसे कि मैं तोड़ तोड़ के इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश बोलना सीखे. इंग्लिश 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 यानी हिंदी और इंग्लिश को मिलाना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐसे ही करना है, तभी धीरे धीरे आपकी इंग्लिश यू गेट इन टू ए कंप्लीट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. ओके, तो जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे ही आपको भी करना है, राइट? तो ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, वर्ड्स आपके जुड़ते जाएंगे, और विद इन 5 to 6 months you will see that you have a good library in your mind of English words. Okay, and you enjoying your speaking, because आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि दूसरे आपकी बोलने को enjoy करेंगे. Nobody going to be enjoy your speaking. But when you are starting starting enjoying your speaking English, that is the way, that is the first step, right? So how you enjoy your English? First step is keep your mind calm. Give 15 minutes to yourself, right? Not a distractions, right? See that I am going to speak, okay, and not giving any topic to yourself. Just speak it randomly. Like randomly means just as say I'm sitting here in a room, there is no there is very uh, not much light here, and something I am alone in this one, right? So what is what is comes in mind means, you understand what is coming in your mind means, I have to speak English. Okay, what I talk, क्या बोलूं, सबसे पहले आएगा. Okay, first 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 intuition in yourself comes, what to speak, क्या बोलूं. Okay, but how to come out of that one? You think yourself, yeah, I have a laptop. Okay, let us try. Means what I'm conjecturing the words. Okay, what I'm thinking in my mind. Okay, today what I do, क्या मैं करूँ, what I do, what I do today, what I'm going to do today, मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, I don't know. मैंने कैसे जोड़ा, today I'm thinking what to do, I lost myself, right? What I'm speaking, what I'm thinking, what what is going on in my mind, I have connecting all this, right? Means what, क्या दिमाग में आ रहा है उसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Like this, like this, when you are going repeatedly like this, you are you are giving answer to yourself. Means I am thinking, but I'm not speaking. But what I'm thinking, I'm going to speak. Yes. Oh, last night uh I didn't sleep fully in a day. Right now I am really sleepy. What I'm speaking means, जो भी मेरे मन में आ रहा है मैं बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, इट इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग मैं नहीं जानता. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग bother about that, right? If I am speaking wrongly, okay, because nobody to judge me. Okay, so like this you have to practice yourself, because somebody says आप practice करो tense and all. मैं भी चाहता हूँ आप tense करो, but before of that this is the first step. Okay, till you are not going to step out of your comfortability, means English speaking को बदलना है अगर इंग्लिश में, तो यू हैव टू कम आउट विद योर कंफर्ट. कंफर्ट मीन्स हम तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं, घर में भी माहौल हिंदी का है. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू बी, ना कोई समझना चाहता है ना बोलना चाहता है आपसे. बट यू नो what is the importance in a outer world, in a job market. You know what is the importance of English. So what you have to do, what you have to do, you have you have to do one thing, right? Don't, क्या कहते हैं, just leave it, छोड़ दो सब. Okay, and ध्यान दो, just pay attention on yourself. Okay, 5 minute is nothing. यार यहाँ जिंदगी बीत जाती है, इंग्लिश नहीं आती. बट मैं कह रहा हूँ आपको 15 मिनट्स दो अपने आप को with concentration, you will see its change. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू गेट द कॉन्फिडेंस आने लग जाएगा. अगर आपने 5 मिनट अपने आप में बोला, तो आप क्या दिखते हैं कि जब आप किसी में हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं ना, किसी भी हिंदी में, तो आप कन्वर्टिंग करेंगे, यानी हिंदी इंग्लिश में बोलना चालू कर देंगे. कि आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो वो जब चेंज आने लग जाएगा धीरे 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 धीरे, तो वो चेंज ही एक बड़ा चेंज के अंदर बनेगा विद इन ए 2-3 months. और मे बी यू फाइंड एनी वन who is like to speak like English, or anyone who is speaking in English. तो आपको कितना अच्छा लगेगा, यार इंग्लिश बोल रहा है मुझे भी आती है, तो मैं इसको इंग्लिश में जवाब देता हूँ. तो दिस इज at that point you think that you did the right thing, right? So like this, अब आपने देखा होगा मैक्सिमम इंटरव्यूज इंग्लिश में होते हैं. पहला सवाल होता है, टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ, टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ. यूनिवर्सल है, सभी सवाल करते हैं ये, ठीक है. इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है। ओके, इसका जवाब इंग्लिश में ना देके हिंदी में देते हैं कई लोग, कई बार कहते हैं। और इंटरव्यूअर भी समझता है ठीक है, ओके फाइन है, दे दिया हिंदी में, ठीक है। लेकिन उसमें ये चला जाता है कि अगर वो एमएनसी कंपनी है या जहाँ पे पोल वाला ज़्यादा है इंग्लिश का, तो उसके लिए एक नेगेटिव पॉइंट हो जाता है और वो उसी को लेके आपको रिजेक्ट करता है। बट ही इज आस्किंग इन इंग्लिश, तो यू शुड बी आंसर इन इंग्लिश, राइट? So tell me about yourself. So my name is P. Kumar. I am a graduate and such I am working in a company. He is not a very big company, but I am playing currently. I am have this and that role in that company. My core work is to handle all the administrative things, right? In terms of check the invoices, what the invoices comes is related to inwards or outward, and pass on to the next my department, and they are fully checked afterwards. After I have to take this invoices to my register and to my online procedures. This is my work right now, and afterwards I am looking after for my progress in my company. Like this, you whatever you are feeling at that particular time, you just answer it and answer answer about the skills, because the company feels whatever the skills you have, if you demonstrate it or fully in a manner that you have that much of skills and you are capable to carry on with that company, so they are easily can hire you. Okay, so that confidence, how you build that confidence, because it will work till you die. Okay, जब तक आप मरोगे नहीं ना, तब तक ये चीज़ तुम्हारा पीछा नहीं छोड़ेगी. यू हैव टू collaborate, you have to speak, you have to communicate. These things is ever going things. So you have to build your confidence without any other things in your mind, right? So I'm not pressurizing you. I'm just telling you that whatever the time you are you are going to give you yourself, it will help you all of your life. Okay, thanks. Class for being with me. I will come back with another episode of my English speaking class. Thank you. Thank you very much for being with me.